Sunday Diaz, Chicory, complete the line. Goes in, they're in the gate. And the race is on. It's time for Mr. Extension in the yellow cap, who shoots right out to the early advantage. Camptown races here for Mr. Extension, who quickly opens up two onto the main track. Coming through the middle lane, the left half four back to Chicory. Up the fence comes Deep Faith First. Races two more back to 77 cap, two at the back line of Promise and Zonic. Mr. Extension order at 23 seconds flat. Goes by a half mile, pole in front of length and a half. Camptown in 2 lengths in the leader, third. Then pull back to Chicory, two coming fourth. Faced up, 73 seconds, now back sixth with Zonic trail. Around that turn, Mr. Extension. Chicory trying to come after Mr. Extension. Deep Faith will stay down toward the inside. Campton's going to lead away through. Right now, Campton through inside and can't shift outside. So they come to the top. Chicory into the stretch. Mr. Extension back to second. Now some room for Deep Faith. Versus on. Here comes Deep Faith charging now, and Deep Faith grabs the lead and does it quickly. Deep Faith and Chicory back to second. They run from 70-70 count. Deep Faith easily. Photo coming up for second. Looked like 77 count might have got up over Chicory. After that was Camptown Racing. Five, 16735 unofficial.